emergency services, courier services, crop monitoring, traffic management. Drones are here to stay and offer significant opportunities, but we need to manage them safely and coordinate their movements with other airspace users. Indra enables the safe and efficient integration of drones into the airspace with a complete suite for unmanned traffic management, including a common information service, CIS platform, and a USpace service provider. Our UTM platforms connect operators, authorities, and service providers within a fully interoperable and scalable ecosystem. A high level of automation reduces the operational workload while maximizing efficiency. The solution supports cloud-based or on-premises deployment, designed for seamless integration. The platform interfaces with ATM and C-UAS systems and delivers advanced services to authorities responsible for the safe integration of drones. This includes dynamic airspace reconfiguration, enabling manned aircraft to temporarily use the airspace that is normally reserved for drones. Fully compliant with EU regulation and Euro-K standards, the solution is already deployed by Indra in Spain. Together, we have validated the interoperability between UTM and conventional ATM systems, enabling the safe and coordinated coexistence of drones and manned aircraft in the controlled airspace. As an active member of CESAR, EASA, and Euro-K working groups, Indra offers a future-proof solution that delivers safety, efficiency, and regulatory compliance. With Indra, the future of drone operations is already here.